I'm be teaching y'all how to run up y'all money on in school with y'all clothing brand. I don't care if you in college, high school, middle school, hell, even elementary. I'm talking for the people that's at ground zero. You the new kid on the block, bro. Brand is this, who is that? Know what I'm saying? Do not put on no bad fit, bro. Tap for days, like you can tap for days. Y'all got the weekday. Make sure you got your selling dudes a walking billboard. Brand sticker in there, gonna slide that in there. Throw it in the bag, make a post, tote the bag, sell the product. It's that simple, bro. I already had the influence way before I even started selling clothes. Ain't nothing to it but to do it now, bro. You done got all the information, bro. Go ahead and get started. You never know. I might pop out on your campus with that for the hood. You did what I'm saying? YouTube, what happening? It's your boy LJ and I'm back with another video. And as y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm be teaching y'all how to run up y'all money on in school with y'all clothing brand, know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm be giving y'all the full playbook, the full rundown to the best of my knowledge, you know what I'm saying? I don't care if you in college, high school, middle school, hell, even elementary, you can still use these methods I'm finna give y'all. This information is fresh off, know what I'm saying? I just graduated high school and I'm finna show y'all my results. Bro, you can tap for days, like you could tap for days, you could tap for days. You know what I'm saying? You could tap for a little minute, you did what I'm saying? So I kinda know what I'm talking about. Not a lot, but I kinda know what I'm talking about. So if you're new to the channel, what's going on? I'm LJ, you did what I'm saying? And I just add for a couple things, bro. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'm for right now. Cool with me. So yeah, man, I done did enough talking. Now let's get into the business. Yep. Alright, y'all. So before anything, make sure you have your brand in motion already. What I mean by that is make sure you already have a brand name. Make sure you already got your logo. Make sure you already got an Instagram page started up. All these other stuff's gonna flow in more easier once you have all that stuff taken care of. I know school just started for a whole lot of y'all and y'all trying to grow y'all clothing brand. You know what I'm saying? So that's the main purpose of this video. Make sure those 3 things are taken care of before you even think about making any type of money. Cause you can't make no money without the foundation built. Alright, so once you don't figure out your brand name, your logo, and you got your Instagram taken care of, you're gonna move into the products. So yeah, what products you want to start off with? You can start off with shirts, you can start off with shorts, you can start off with truckers, you can start off with hoodies. Me personally, I started off with hoodies, you know what I'm saying? Once you figure out how you want to start off, you want to go ahead and get that stuff in motion already. And if you already got your brand in motion, that's a plus. I'm talking for the people that's at ground zero. Alright, boom, you got your brand name, you got your logo, you got your Instagram started up, and you got your clothes you're gonna start off with. It could be shirts, it could be hoodies, it could be truckers, whatever. Alright, y'all, so you gotta understand, bro. You the new brand on the block. So my suggestion is that you preview and you wear your brand out for a week or two. A week or two, know what I'm saying? So that gives people time to understand who you is. You got a clothing brand. You want to get your environment's opinion on everything, because know what I'm saying, those your potential customers. So yo, rock your brand out for at least a week or two. If you got you a little crew you rock around with in school, bro, let them preview your products as well, bro. You're gonna need all the recognition, bro. You're gonna need all the eyes, because you the new kid on the block, bro. Everybody gonna be like, what brand is this? Who is that? Know what I'm saying? They're gonna be asking questions. Give yourself a week. But please, hold up. Before I say anything, please do not put on no bad fit, bro. If you got that one partner in the group that just don't know how to dress, bro, don't give them nothing. Please don't give them nothing, bro. And you as well, as the brand owner, bro, you gotta make sure you putting it on as well, bro. Don't be wearing no red hoodie with no blue shoes, bro. Cause they gonna look at you stupid and they not gonna wanna buy nothing from you. I'm telling you. Make sure you putting on a decent outfit. You ain't gotta go all out, you ain't gotta rock designer shoes, not if you don't want to. You know what I'm saying? But please make sure you ain't putting on no techie outfit. They looking at you as a brand on talking about, I ain't finna buy no clothes around. He don't even know how to dress. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to do this solo as well. You might be new to the school, you know what I'm saying? Or you just might not have no friend. I do understand there's people out there that just don't rock with folks. But at least try to create relationships within that environment, or else you just gonna be a solo person with a clothing brand that nobody know about except you. So yeah, bro, you're gonna have to loosen up and do what you gotta do. I don't really know your situation, but I know it's folks out there that's really just solo. They just do everything by themselves. But I promise you, creating relationships with other folks gonna make the process smooth. So yeah, bro, you're gonna do all this for a week or two. It's up to you, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if you're in college, bro. I don't care if you're in high school. I don't care if you're in elementary, middle, shit, pre-K. Give yourself a week, bro. Don't rush into it now. Within those 1 to 2 weeks, you previewing your stuff. This is your time to be making all the content. This is your time to be posting all the pictures. This is the time to be making all the TikTok, all the Instagram reels, everything. You really gotta take advantage of the media for real. So within that time, make sure you posting on your Instagram, your business page, and your main page. So once you done came down to a decision when you gonna start selling in school, bro, you gotta make a plan. You gonna have to make a plan. That's step one. You can't build a house without the blueprint. You know what I'm saying? So you gonna have to make a plan. So matter of fact, I'm just finna work it out with y'all. Y'all give me a second. Alright, so we finna plan out for the whole week. The 14th through the 18th. So first thing first, bro, you wanna know what days you wanna sell. You know what I'm saying? Finna go ahead and write it out for y'all. I suggest you do this planning on the weekend before the week even start, you know what I'm saying? So you already have stuff set up. So with the selling days, you're gonna figure out what days you wanna sell. You might wanna sell 2 days out the week, or you wanna go 3 days out the week, or you can go 4 days out the week. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I did every day. So my selling days was every day. Let's speak on my experience. Every day. Next, we got sizes you gonna bring. I say start off with small through extra large, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gonna do sizes. Once you done figure out your selling days, you wanna know what sizes to bring. You the new brand on the block. If you already got your clothing brand started, cool, bro. You already ahead of the game, bro. You already hit. All right, so right here we got the size.
All right, hold up. Before we get into this next clip, y'all don't get on me too bad, bro. I know I spelled selling wrong. I was going too fast. I wasn't thinking, bro. I had a brain for it. Y'all chill on me.
Bro. So remember, if you starting out, it's best if you do one in each size. Cause you know what I'm saying? You starting out, bro. You don't need to be doing all that, bro. If you already got the brand started, I say bring 2 small, 2 medium, large, 1 large, and 1 extra large. You know what I'm saying? You could do it however you want to do it. I don't care if you want to bring 10 of each side. Just make sure you have this planned out beforehand. Alright, so boom, we got the sizes out the way. Next, let's get into the colors. Alright, so me personally, I don't know how your brand is structured, but I'm gonna speak on my experiences. I started off with black and gray. When I first started off, I started off with black and gray. So like for the first week, I think I had just straight black. You can't never go wrong with black hoodies, bro. Then for the next week, I went gray hoodies on them. You know what I'm saying? So you want to figure out what colors you're going to start off with. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I was talking throughout the whole thing. This is your planning sheet. You could do this on a piece of paper. You could do this out on your phone. You could do it out on the whiteboard. You can even do it on the TV. Hey man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. A whole lot of free game in this video, bro. Make sure you subscribe. Alright y'all, so you done figure out your planning day. Make sure y'all got the week date. Make sure you got your selling days. Make sure you got your sizes. Make sure you got your colors, you know what I'm saying? This is the plan for the week, you know what I'm saying? Alright, boom, so the new week is approaching, bro. You gonna make sure you post it on all your social media platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever you on. Make sure you post a little planner we just went over on your social media so folks know when you selling, when you... Oh, I forgot one last thing. Make sure you have your prices on there, man. Add the price to the plan of the week so folks already know how much stuff is. Alright, so boom, it's the day of. I don't know how you get to school. You might ride the bus, you might drive, you might walk. But please have a separate bag for your products. This right here, this little blue IKEA bag is legendary. I came to school with this thing every day. So make sure you have you a separate bag for your product. Yo, once you get to the school, bro, you want to make a little Instagram post. Alright, so boom. You got the product. Put it in the bag. Gonna be like, yo, what's going on, y'all? Today is the day, man. We got all the products. You gonna go through the bag, you know what I'm saying? Play with the bag, show everybody what you got on your story. Then you might want to show off the little school you at. I don't know where you at, but you might want to show off the little school. You gonna tell them what you got. You gonna tell them all the sizes, all the colors. Once you finish taking the video, you want to edit it. You're going to put the location, wherever school you at. You're going to put the sizes you got down and the color on hand all day. Come holla at me. Straight like that. Once you done finish all that, you gonna post it. You gonna post it on your main account and on your business account. Most of your followers are gonna come from your main account. Then they gonna transfer over to your business account. So you wanna post it on both accounts. Alright, so you gonna wanna do that for every time you sell it. I suggest you go ahead and get you an IKEA bag, cause folks knows you, bro. They see you toting around a big old blue bag, they gonna be like, hey bro, what's in the bag? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how y'all school set up, But when I was back in school, bro, they had like a little security process when if you don't have a clear book bag, they supposed to go through your book bag, see what's going on. So every day you plan on selling, bro, you gotta make a post, bro. You gotta let the folks know when you selling, man. All right, so next thing we finna touch up on. Brand quality. Make sure you have some packaging on it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to give nobody hoodie this butt booty hoodie. You know what I'm saying? You gonna make sure you have you a little Ziploc or a little plastic bag like this. You know what I'm saying? Alright, just for these mesh shorts I got right here. I see I got the bag, I got the product inside, I got the sizing sticker right here. Small. You also want to have you some thank you cards too, man. Some thank you cards, bro. Make sure you have some type of business card, some type of thank you card, you know what I'm saying, to show your appreciation to your customers. You want to give your customers that satisfaction every time they shop with you. Cause me personally, bro, if I'm getting some stuff and you just give it to me bare, no bag, no packaging, no nothing, I ain't gonna want it, bro. I'm saying, hey, bro, you keep it. I ain't gonna lie. Make sure you have some good packaging, sizing stickers. They sell it on Amazon. You can get it anywhere. Have you a business card, thank you card, whatever you want to do. You could even throw some stickers in there. You know what I'm saying? Boom, we got the shorts, right? We're gonna open up the bag. They already got the sizing tag on it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the thank you card in there. Thank you card. Nice little brand sticker in there. You're gonna slide that in there. Throw it in the bag, make a post, tote the bag, sell the product. It's that simple, bro. It's probably one of the most easiest things you can do while you in school, bro. Other than selling food, bro. If you selling food, bro, you got an option to make money every day if you selling food in school, bro. Folk be hungry, bro. Folk gonna forever want food. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we talking about clothes. Alright, so boom, we just touched up on brand quality. Alright, so next we're gonna talk about advertising and marketing, bro. The most important thing about having a business. Well, one of the most important things about having a business. First thing first, bro. Wear your products. You gotta wear your products every day, bro. You was a walking billboard, bro. By you being the owner of the clothing brand, bro, you gotta make sure you rocking your products every day. Next, we gonna get into is content. Creating content, posting pictures. So by you having a clothing brand, people want to see content. You can do a get ready with me, going to school, styling my brand. You can do a day in the life. Anything you think of, just incorporate your brand into it. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, them get ready with me is the one that's hitting right now. Alright, so next we're gonna touch up on is using your surroundings. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't know if you got a friend group. I don't know if you solo. I suggest if you have a friend group, give your friends some pieces to put on. The more other people see folks rocking your brand, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, I gotta get one of them. So use your surrounding, bro. Use your friend group. Use whoever. It's gonna be real helpful for you and the brand. Alright, so next, this is another method you could use as well. You might play football, you might play basketball, you might be in a band, you might play volleyball, tennis, soccer, whatever, sports or clubs. I don't know what clubs you got, SGA, NBA, whatever. Use those people as well, you know what I'm saying? At least put it in their ear and put it out there. Let it be known what you doing, what you got going on, so they already know, bro. Don't force anybody to do nothing. Yeah, man, take advantage of these different clubs and sports, bro, you in, bro. Get some of them folks off the team to rock your product. I don't know if you got any influencers at your school, but if you do, bro, connect with those influencers. Send them some pieces. Let them use their influence to show off your product. Any influence can help because they already got the following. Once they put it on, bro, you already know it's gonna jump because they already got the audience behind it. So if you got any type of influences around your school, at your school, bro, use that into your event. That's one of the key tips right there. Say you just that person in your school, you know what I'm saying? You might be him, you might be her. Every school got that one popular person, you know what I'm saying? For me, it was kind of easy because I already had the influence way before I even started selling clothes. For me, it was kind of, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna talk about it, bro. It's about y'all, not about me. You gotta take advantage of all opportunities, all situations, bro. You can use your own influence to do what you do with these clothes. We just talked about different friend groups, clubs in sports, influencers in the school, popular people in the school. It's kind of like the same thing, but it's not the same thing. I suggest you watch that clip around about 3-4 times, you know what I'm saying, to get it down pat. You can use anything as marketing. You can have flyers set up, stickers, bro. You can post QR codes. I got a dot card at the bottom of my phone, so you ain't gotta give them no business card, bro. All you gotta do is just place your phone like that, and boom, they got all your information. I'm telling you, invest in the dot card, bro. It's gonna save you so much time. You can use all those things I just listed as marketing. I suggest try every last one of them because you don't know which one gonna stick for your brand. Every brand got their own little niche point. Alright, so next I want to talk about customer service. This is the most important thing about having a business. And you know, folks be ready to talk bad about somebody, you know what I'm saying? So try not to give them no reason. I understand things happen, stuff gon' happen, bro. Just try your best to be transparent and communicate with these folks, bro. You don't have no business without customers. Let this be one of the most important things you work on throughout your business, bro. Customer service, I'm telling you. Alright, so next we moving on to payment process. So as a business owner, bro, you want to take all forms of payment, bro. You want to take cash, cash out, Zelle, Apple Pay, PayPal, Venmo, Stripe. Now you don't need all those payment processes, but make sure, you know what I'm saying, you take your cash. Make sure you have cash out, Zelle. I don't know if y'all knew this, but cash out got this little QR code thing you can scan, bro. Have that ready for folks. Once they ready to get their product, bro, they just scan the QR code, go on about their business, man. I don't know if every school do this, but I know on some campuses they have like market days. Entrepreneurs pop out and they do what they do. Take advantage of those opportunities. Comment down below what grades y'all in. Comment down below what school you go to, what college you go to, what campus you at. Shit, you never know. I might pop out on your campus with that for the hood, you did what I'm saying? So yeah, take advantage of those opportunities for real. I really want y'all to keep this in mind when y'all out here selling y'all products for real, you know what I'm saying? You a student first before you anything else. I ain't saying you gotta be a straight A student. Don't be one of them dumb ass niggas out there that just be doing too much. Don't be no dumb old female just doing too much. You wanna keep your face card clean, you wanna keep your reputation clean. Believe it or not, bro, that's gonna take you a long way in life. So make sure you staying on your school work. Don't give folks no reason to call you out, bro. Make sure you doing your part first before you get caught up making all this money and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it but to doing that, bro. You done got all the information, bro. Go ahead and get started. I think I touched on every little thing that I did in my experience on being an entrepreneur while in school. I think I talked about everything, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is gonna be a nice little video for y'all. Yeah, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, share this to your mama, your friends, your grandma, your auntie upstairs, whoever. Share this to anybody that got a clothing brand and they need some guidance to how to make money in and out of school, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I hope this video helps with your process. Now you can see some more profit coming in. So yeah, man, this will conclude the end of this video, bro. If you stayed around this long, bro, I really do appreciate you, man. I hope whatever you doing, what business you doing, whatever you got going on, I hope you succeed in life, bro. So yeah, man, for the hood be the game, and I'm out. Yeah! Yo, I forgot to say this. I don't know why I'm worshiping, but hey, man, I forgot to say this in the video, bro. Tap into the brand, man. We got a couple tees, love you did. Still here, and we still got some shorts over there. So yeah, man. Excuse the office space. So yeah, man, go ahead and cop something from the brand. Yeah.